Are you using sound on your patrols? Are you paying attention to what you hear? Especially when you're on the night shift, or perhaps you're working in a parking garage, or maybe you're working a night shift inside of a hospital. Are you one headphone in, two headphone ins, listening to music? Are you actually listening to your surroundings? The drop of keys, the breaking of glass, uh, somebody trying to serendipitously enter into a vehicle. Do you know what that sounds like? Can you enter into a space such as a parking garage and stand in the middle of the parking structure on one of the floors and hear multiple floors? Perhaps I'll stand on floor 4 and I can hear 5 and 6 at the same time, just by being quiet and listening, actually absorbing the environment. Humans as well, even when you're in a more social setting, let's say you are working traffic management, you are working a hotel in the lobby during the day. Human beings are very vocal. They always tell you what they want, whether it be through the tonality that they're using. Perhaps you're standing and you hear an uptick or a command tone, which is a flat tone in somebody's conversation. These are clues that are around you as to what's going on, where it is, and it gives you time so that you can create a strategy by actually using your ears. Today, when you walk outside, you're going to notice that everybody has their headphones in. Everybody's not paying attention from an audio standpoint. You have to say somebody's name 2 or 3 times before they actually acknowledge you. You have to wave your hand in front of somebody visually before they actually acknowledge you. So when you're doing your patrols, are you listening? Are you using the information that's coming in from your auditory senses?